Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to make a very popular plate in Thailand called Tom Yum Goong. So this version we're showing you today, it is called Tom Yum Goong Nam Sai, and Nam Sai means thin broth. Alright, so first you are going to slice the galangal very thin. Slice the spring onions. I also forgot to mention you need 1 tablespoon of lemon juice later on. Lemongrass. Lemongrass is a little bit different. You cut it in halves and peel it in the middle so you can taste the flavor better. Slice the cilantro a little bit bigger, which means around 1 inch. Repeat the same step with coriander. Slice the tomatoes. Then slice the garlic and pepper into little pieces. Fry the dried pepper using low heat until you can smell the flavor and it is almost burnt. These are the ingredients you prepared earlier to make the soup. Now these are the ingredients you put on top when the Tom Yum Goong is ready to be served. Pepper, coriander, cilantro, and lime leaf. Pour 1 liter of water to boil. Then add 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of Knor chicken flavor. Put in the ingredients you prepared earlier to make the soup first. Close the pot with the lid and let it sit there for about 10 minutes. Once it is ready, add the shrimps in. Then let it cook with the lid on until it is boiling. But don't boil it for a really long time or the shrimps will be too hard. Then put 1 teaspoon of fish sauce in and add all the ingredients we prepared earlier when it is ready to be served. I also have the ingredients in my description down below if you guys want to check it out. If you follow the recipe, you can taste that it is very original from Thailand. Enjoy your plate! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos.